Adding a food stamp card to the Sam's Club application is a straightforward process. To begin, open the Sam's Club application and sign into your account or create a new one if needed. Then, navigate to the Account or Payment Methods section, depending on the version of the app you are using. From there, click on Add Payment Method or Manage Payment Methods. Select EBT card or SNAP as the payment method type. Next, carefully enter your EBT card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the verification process, which may require entering a PIN or code sent to your phone. Once you have completed all the steps, save your settings to finalize the addition of your food stamp card to the Sam's Club application.